Hi guys, so I've been back with my another video. It has been quite long. I was asking Spirit what should be the topic of my next video, and what came very strongly was that you guys needed some message on your current situation. So I have made this channeled messages which I've channeled from the angels. We'll see this at last, and we'll see some insights on your current situation. Then we'll use the Work Your Light oracle cards to get some more angelic messages from the divine for your situation. So these are the three cards. You have to pick any one card, whichever draws you in, whichever you feel attracted to. Okay, just take a deep breath, meditate, and see and ask Spirit what is your question. Okay, and then see the cards and then choose the one which draws you in. Okay, so we'll just get started. So let's begin. Let me put these cards aside. I will just shuffle them back. I'll see what these cards mean, okay, in a while. Okay, so I can see that there is some love situation you guys have been asking about, and in that case I feel like you guys are not in communication right now. There is definitely no communication, but I feel like you guys had a lot of passion in this relationship. Okay, I'll see in these cards in a while. Let me shuffle the cards. Okay, so I feel like, okay, so the high priestess is in reverse also. You guys, okay, you guys have some heavy energy down here. I think this is why the hermit is also in reverse, because the hermit card symbolizes some spiritual awakening. Okay, and you guys are, I think, going through some dark night of the soul right now. Yes, if that is the case, then I would say that those of you who have picked this pile, you guys have a lot to look forward to. Okay, wow, okay, all right, see, this card decided to jump out, and I'll show you what's at the bottom of the deck. Could it be any more? Deck energies is the Queen of Swords. Okay, I feel like those of you who have picked this pile, you guys are definitely feeling very detached right now. You guys, you're like, you don't want any nonsense. Okay, you don't want any. This person has been very inconsistent in your life. This person has been going on and off, and he's not in his right energy. Your King of Swords is not in his right energy. He is in reverse right now. Okay, I don't know why I feel like it's a he. And so I feel like whoever has chosen this pile, you guys have a lot. So at the bottom of the deck we have the Queen of Swords. So absolutely, you guys, there's some definitely some major very strong connection going on over here, because there's the Queen of Swords along with the King of Swords in reverse, and which is very synchronous, and the Lovers is also in reverse. The Lovers is definitely the soulmate card for me, and I feel like you guys are not in communication, and I think this relationship ended very abruptly. Okay, for most of you guys, I feel like you guys are not in communication, and you want to move on from this person, because this person has not been making a choice regarding you, or you may be feeling like you may be juggling between two people, or you may be feeling like whether there is any hope for this situation or not. I definitely feel like you guys are in a very passive state of mind, where you guys are feeling like there's whether okay, so I feel like you guys are tired of waiting. Okay, you guys have waited and waited and waited for this person to communicate with you, and this person just doesn't seem to communicate. He just doesn't seem to see this bond between you. Okay, and I feel like you are right now in this Queen of Swords energy because of that, because you don't want any nonsense. Okay, you don't want this person's just this indecisiveness has been too much to bear for you. Okay, okay, I don't know why I'm fumbling. So this person, has been, he's shadowing, he's clouding your intuition. You're not able to see clearly because of whatever this person is keeping you in the cloud for. And you were waiting and waiting, you're unsure of what will happen. I feel like you guys are very intuitive, but for some reason, maybe because of some things which this person has told you and has not been able to live up to, or maybe because of something which has happened between you both, you both are very much, not in contact right now, and your intuition is clouded. You don't know whether to move on from this person or whether to wait for this person. You feel like, and I think this person also feels like there's a very strong bond between you both. Okay, but I feel like this person is just not deciding on you. Okay, we'll see more from this Sacred Indian Tarot deck about your situation. Let's see more about your situation right now. What's going on between them, spirit? What's going on between them? What is going on? Okay, the Fool in reverse. Even the Fool has come up in reverse. So for right now, your relationship seems to be stagnant. Okay, I feel like you have come to this reading to know what your next action should be, because your relationship is very much stagnant right now. And I feel like you were looking for this person to make a decision which this person has not made. Okay, yeah, so this person has not made a decision yet. We'll see more cards regarding your situation. Spirit, what is the situation? What are they going through right now? Why is it happening? Why is this situation happening? Why is this situation happening? Okay, the world. So there is some sort of lesson over here, okay, which needs to be learned during this time. I think you guys have been forced to separate, and I have said this in another one of my readings as well. I think you guys are a specific pile who keep choosing this, and I think your energy comes through. And the message for you here is, I think, like there's some sort of completion which is happening in their life. I feel like this is their energy, definitely. I feel like and this is why they have not been able to make a choice. I feel like some sort of completion, some sort of insight is going to come to them. And let's see more cards. uh, okay, the Judgment card. See, the Judgment is also the card of enlightenment in this deck. Okay, in this deck, the Judgment is the card. Okay, and the bottom of the deck is the Wheel of Fortune. See, I was telling you that there is some sort of completion happening, and there is some sort of turning of wheel which is going on over here. Okay, I see that the wheel is turning in you guys' favor. And yes, see, this is reflected in this card. The Wheel of Fortune is turning, not bad at all, with the Queen of Swords here. I feel like and see what's below the Queen of Swords. We have the knight, we have the Seven of Pentacles. Okay, all right, so the Seven of Pentacles signifies illusions. So I feel like there is a lot of things which have gone unsaid. And also with the Hermit card in reverse, there's definitely some sort of illusion and delusion involved, not as in this person, but I think the people around them. Okay, the people around this person are putting a lot of things in their minds, which is making them very undecisive. It's not letting them take the right decision, but I do think that they are reaching some sort of completion in their journey. Okay, right now. And let's see more cards from the Oracle deck. What should you do in this connection? Let's see that. What should you do in this connection? Guidance for you specifically, pile number 1. What should my pile number 1 be doing right now? Okay, Mintakin, longing for home. Oh my god, pile number 1, you guys are missing this person very badly. Yes, your energy is coming through. You guys are missing them so badly, and the angels are saying that they recognize it. Okay, as you long for this person, they stand beside you, and they know. Okay, and they are holding you in their loving light. Okay, the angels know your pangs. Pile number one. Okay, let's see. See, the great gathering, it's all coming together. Intuitive hits, soul tribe. See, it's coming together, guys. Okay, I can see that from here, from the world card, that something is coming, as in a completion is happening. And see, this is a confirmation from spirit that something is orchestrating in you guys' favor. Oh my god, see what decided to come up, the soul family. Yes, definitely you guys are soulmates. Okay, if you were looking for a confirmation, this is it. You guys are soulmates, definitely. With the lovers card, with the king and the queen of swords, there could not be any other way. Okay, you guys are soulmates. Spirit angels are saying that, and you guys and something is being orchestrated in the favor of you guys. Okay, angels are telling that something is coming in order for you guys. And if you are feeling alone, if you are longing for home, if you're longing for belonging, you guys are being told that you guys are not alone. Okay, it's all coming together. Your soul tribe stands with you. You're not alone in this. Okay, so stop feeling so alone and missing them, and soon you will have it. You don't have to do it alone. See, this card says it. You don't have to do it alone, and you will not do it alone. This is a confirmation from spirit, from the angels. Okay, let me see what the channel messages have to say. You guys, these are the channeled messages which I have channeled for you guys. So let's see what are the messages for you guys. So let's see. Okay, I'll take this one as well. Okay, so here it says, I hope you can see the chits. Yeah, there are no more chits. Okay, so love is already yours, guys. See, love is already yours. Okay, see, it's they are saying it, wow, such happy energy is coming through. Wow, see, the soul family, love is already yours. Okay, it's already yours. You don't have to worry if you are in this waiting energy. Okay, just know that it's already yours. It's coming your way. It's on its way to you. Okay, all right, let's see what more messages spirit has for you. Let me put this aside. Yeah, you are being guided through your dreams. Okay, so have you guys been dreaming lately? Maybe you guys have been dreaming something about this person. Maybe you thought that it couldn't be true. Maybe you was told something in your dreams. Pay attention to your dreams. Okay, this message is about paying attention to your dreams. Okay, so you have to so the next time you lucid dream or something, you have to understand what the dream means. Maybe google it, one or two symbolisms. Okay, and maybe you will be said something to your dreams. Okay, nurture yourself. Okay, nurture yourself. Take good care of yourself. Look after yourself, because this is going to be very important. Okay, when you are in a soul connection like this, then it becomes very important to nurture yourself first. Okay, so that you attract the right kind of people in your life. So yes, so nurture yourself, look after yourself, guys, if you're not already doing it. So yes, so this one says your life's purpose involves healing. So some of you may be dealing with a healer, you may be dealing with a doctor, you may be dealing, or you may yourself be a doctor, you may be a healer, you may be involved in some medical practices, or you may be Reiki practitioners. Okay, if this is what you have been doing, then I think that this is a big messages from your angels that you have to keep doing it. Okay, if that is your passion, if you maybe have been wanting to learn Reiki for a long time and couldn't get the opportunity to do so, this is your message, okay, from the angels, that you must go after your life's purpose and you must follow your purpose. Okay, and that is when you will completely heal this situation. Okay, your once you start working on your life's purpose, I feel like you will heal this situation, you will heal this situation completely. Yes, this is a very big message from the angels. Okay, let's see what this one has to say. Okay. Oh my god, look at my light warriors. You are a light warrior. Okay, if you don't know about light workers, if you don't know about light warriors, I'd suggest that you Google them. Okay, but it is very much said over here that it's like a group of light workers who have incarnated on this planet to help raise the vibration of this planet. Okay, I feel like spirit is telling you that this is a big part of your mission and they are urging you to remember it. Okay, you are a light warrior. Wow, the last message says you are divine. This is amazing, guys. See, the spirit is asking you to remember your divine nature. Spirit is asking you to remember who you truly are. You are divine. Okay, and this is why you have been gifted with a soul family and this connection, a high vibrational connection. And I feel like I feel like this is your ultimate message. Okay, I feel like this message was sent to you for a reason, and whatever the situation, yeah, so whatever the situation you may be going through right now, you have to remember that this is going to happen. Okay, so let's move on to pile number 2. Hi guys, if you chose pile number 2, I'll be shuffling on camera today. And if you have chosen this pile, okay, so this card comes out right off the bat, the Ace of Swords. Okay, I feel like this is you guys, you have been in some sort of third party situation. Okay, and so let's see more of what is going on over here. Justice, definitely there is some sort of maybe somebody was married in this relationship. Okay, or maybe you are dealing with an ex-husband or an ex-wife. Okay, or you may have been dealing with somebody whom you were supposed to get married to, but they are in doubt right now, so you need some clarity. Let's see more of your cards, what's going on over here. The King of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, I need some clarification on the Ace of Swords, please. Okay, so I feel like this card seems to come often for those of you guys who have been watching for some time. You know that some of you guys have met through work, maybe, so I will get into that. Wait, the Page of Swords in reverse. I hope you guys can see the cards. Let me know in the comments if any of my viewers are OCD like me a little bit. Okay, Page of Swords. Okay, a bunch of cards have come out. I will keep this and this. Okay, oh my god, the Justice clarifies this. Okay, I feel like you guys have been brutally backstabbed, and this is why you are not waiting for this person anymore, but they are still on your mind. They have been juggling with some sort of work. Okay, I want to see more about the King of Pentacles first. Spirit. Okay, these two cards. I hope you can see them though. Three of Wands and the Ten of Swords. Yes, definitely, definitely. You guys, the Strength in reverse. And we'll see the bottom of the deck. The bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups in reverse. Yes, you guys, I feel like you don't want to remember this person, you know. You are very much frustrated with this person. You have been brutally broken, and your heart has been stabbed just like this and like this. And you are in an energy of like, you feel like this person has cheated you very badly, and you are thinking with your mind right now. You're not at all thinking with your heart, you know. And you don't want to work on this relationship anymore. And you have, I feel like whoever has chosen this pile, you guys have really been very much lied to, manipulated. Maybe even some of you were in an abusive relationship with this person. And I feel like you guys, you know, this person kept on telling you one thing at one time and another thing at another time. Like, you could not match their words with their actions, or some at one point of time they were very good to you, at some other point they were like they did not keep up with their words. I feel like that. And I feel like you guys are very fed up of this. You guys really don't want this situation to continue. And for some other people, I just felt right now that, you know, there was some third party involved. Okay, there was some third party involved, and you are currently waiting for this person to get divorced with someone, or you're waiting for a separation or something like that. For a very small fraction of people, I feel like that. And but you guys are very much you don't know when that will happen. So, and you guys are very much tired of waiting. I feel like both of the energies of this pile make me feel like you guys are waiting and waiting, and you are tired of waiting, and you're waiting for an outcome, and you feel, and since you have been waiting for so long, you guys feel like you know, this person is just not going to come, or he's just not worth it, you know. And as far as this energy is concerned, yes, I feel like this person may have blocked you on social media for some of you guys. And for others, I feel like you have blocked them. But for most of you guys, I feel like there's no communication happening. And you know, because they have been juggling so much and just going to and fro about it so much, you guys have just decided to stay away for some time and just keep it you know, just stay away from the drama and all the heartache and all the messy feelings for some time. I feel like that. And as for this portion of the cards, I feel like you know, you guys are really have been dealing with somebody who was not giving you any clarity. You know, this person was not giving you clarity, and you are very much now in your crown chakra. You are in your head, and you want that clarity. Okay, you want them to tell you that whether I am choosing this person or I am choosing that person. You want them to be clear. And you know what, I feel like this justice will happen, you know. I feel like this justice will happen for you very strongly, because there's only two major arcana here: the Strength, which is in reverse, and the Justice, which is upright. So I feel like this is going to happen for you guys. So let's see, you know, more into what is happening and why did this happen, Spirit. Why did they have to go through? So we'll look into why this situation happened, and then we'll look into the guidance for your situation. First we'll ask Spirit why this happened. Okay, all right. I feel like okay, this card decided to come out: the Hanged Man in reverse. The Hanged Man in reverse. And it says Tyag. Somebody was somebody is very didn't take action. See, I was telling you, this person just kept yes, he just kept on uh, not taking any decision, and he was keeping you in the dark, and he was not taking any action, and since he was not taking any action, it made you feel very heartbroken, I feel like. And even sometimes not taking any action is also taking an action sometimes in case of third parties. And I think that is how you felt, and I think that is what left you broken. Okay. And so let's see more into this. What happened? The hierophant. See, the hierophant signifies this is my marriage card, okay. And so I feel like there is some sort of this person did not want to come forward. Okay, the judgment also comes here. The judgment card has a very good blue color, soothing blue color for the throat chakra, which also means I don't know why I noticed this color for your pile. This card also came up for pile number 1, but for your pile I felt like this color is very attractive, and I feel like it has to do with not speaking up. Okay, this person was not speaking his true feelings. This also goes with the King of Pentacles in reverse. This person was not speaking. The Sun. Wow. Pile number 2, the Sun card. This is amazing. I feel like whatever hardships you had to go through with this situation, this person, there is a happy ending at the end of it. For that we will see more with the Workulite Oracle cards. Okay, I feel like yes, definitely why this situation happened. It happened because this person was not speaking up, was not taking any action towards you. Okay, and maybe this is strongly feeling like a third party situation. So yes, with the Hierophant and the Three of Swords, I feel like this is a third party situation. So we'll ask Spirit. So okay, right off the bat we have 3 cards for you. Leap. You go first, the universe will catch you. This is your messages from the oracle cards. Okay, unbound, release soul patterns, contracts and past lives. So for some of you guys, I feel like whatever happened was some kind of soul contract with this person. Okay, you had some kind of soul contract, you had a karmic contract to go through this with this person, and now this situation is over. And so your karmic contract with this person is over. Also with the Justice card, this also signifies some sort of karmic contract. Okay, so I feel like this is this is what you have to do. You have to release this karmic contract with this person and just let them go, unbound, and release your soul patterns, soul contracts from past life, all the past trauma. Okay, and I think this is very much in your hands with the Leap card. You have to take the initiative to unbound yourself. And definitely for those of you, if this sounds like an abusive person, then this is what you should definitely do. Okay, share your voice, come out of the cave, persecution. I feel the urge to shuffle one more card, shuffle and see one more card what comes for you guys. So I'll do just that. Okay, so you guys, this is your card. Oh, fun, play, have fun, celebrate, don't be so serious. See, don't be so serious, guys. Play, just enjoy yourselves. Okay, you need a little bit of release from all this heavy energy. Sometimes, just you need to release all of this and just play, have fun, go out. Okay, obviously right now you cannot go out with your friends, but you can always have fun at home, do something which you like to do. So we'll see some more of these. Let's see, these are the messages which I have channeled from the angels for you guys. We'll see them. I'll shuffle them properly first. Okay, so these are your cards. So I'll take this also. Yes. So you are a light warrior, remember. Yes, so these, let's see what has come up. Guard your truth. Yes, see, with this card, you are seeking clarity, you are seeking some understanding, you are seeking the truth about the situation. What is, and you have to guard your own truth, okay? You have to stand by your own truth. With this, I feel like what you have to truly do is stand by your own truth, guard your own truth, in the sense, protect what is really true for you. Don't let other people dictate what is true for you, okay? Archangel Raphael oversees you. See, Archangel Raphael, for those who don't know, Archangel Raphael governs the heart chakra, okay? And I was telling you guys over here, there is something related to throat chakra going on over here, and which is the very next chakra after the heart chakra. So, you guys definitely need to look into chakras, I feel like. Definitely you guys need to look into chakras, and Archangel Raphael oversees you, and he's seeing a situation since your heart has been hurt. This is such a great message, for those of you pile number 2. If you chose this pile, I feel like your heart has been hurt so much. This is why an Archangel Raphael is the angel who heals hearts. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is a confirmation from the angels that your heart is being healed. Okay, your heart is being healed, guys. You are protected. Okay. Okay, let's see what's more in store. Nature will heal you. Yes. You must go out in nature, have fun. If you like to go out to walk in nature, if you like to watch the rain, watch that. I don't know why I said it. I think some of you guys really like to watch the rain. I also like to watch the rain. That's very beautiful, guys. Nature will heal you. Nature will heal you. Okay, let's see more. You are being guided through your dreams. I think this is also the message which we got in the first file. I think you guys are, since you guys are dealing with Archangel Raphael, I think sometimes Archangel Raphael will show you in dreams that your heart is being healed. Especially look out for your lucid dreams. Okay, during the lucid dreams you will come to know what exactly is going on in your subconscious, and I think you should pay attention to your dreams. Okay, so this is another message. Follow love but carry wisdom. Definitely, you guys have been following your heart, you guys have been following your love, but you guys right now need to carry wisdom. And I think this is definitely saying that you guys have been hurt so much. Right now you want clarity, you want a new direction, you want new intention, you guys want to know something more, and you guys really need to carry your wisdom along with your love. Okay, so this is definitely a confirmation from the angels that whatever you are going on, whatever path you have chosen to take, is definitely what the angels are also trying to say to you. That is what they support, that yes, you need to seek clarity. This is a confirmation. You need to seek that clarity. You are doing the right thing. All is well. See, all is well. All is well is a confirmation from spirit. Okay, you can relax right now. All is well. You need to relax, you need to nurture yourself. Let's see. Okay, there are two of those here. Archangel Chamuel guides and protects you. Yes, Archangel Chamuel, he governs the solar plexus chakra. I think a lot of chakras are going on over here. I think you guys may have opened chakras during this connection, or you guys need to really work on your chakras. I think this file is for somebody who is really working on their chakras. Great. Angels love you and stand by you. This type of message only comes through when you really need to be stood by, when after you've gone through something which is very heartbreaking. That is when the angels will definitely stand by you, and I think that is a confirmation. Okay, divine is watching over you. You have nothing to worry about. You're being watched over. Give some little bit of your worries to angels. Okay, divine is watching over you. You are protected. Let's see your life purpose involved. Oh my god, see, this is the last of the files, the last of the messages, and your life purpose involves throat chakra. I've been telling you guys about this blue color, and this is definitely a very big confirmation. You guys need to work on your throat chakra. Okay, so whoever is watching this file, please work on speaking your truth, work on seeking the truth, work on communicating your truth. Okay, and I think this is a message from your angels also, that you are seeking the truth and you will find it. All right guys, I hope you like this reading. I'll move on to pile number 3. Please like, share and subscribe this channel if you like my reading. Please guys, thank you. Hi guys, if you chose pile number 3, this is your reading. So right off the bat, with that 5 of wands, I feel like you guys have been going through a lot of stress, and there is a lot of people you've been fighting with lately. Okay, some sort of humorous energies coming through, which I think you guys emanate, which is fabulous. Okay, so I will shuffle the cards on camera today. This is the first card, Queen of Pentacles, Page of Cups in reverse. Okay, so let's see, what are your cards, what's going on with you guys, what you guys have been up to. Okay, Queen of Wands in reverse, and the Four of Pentacles. Okay, so we'll clarify the Queen of Pentacles first. Let's see. Okay, five of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, I feel like this situation is quite heavy. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I feel like you guys have, okay, this card decided to pop off. This is clarifying the Page of Cups, Three of Pentacles, the Emperor. Okay, so you guys have been dealing with authority. Yes. Alright, let's see what your bottom deck energies are. Page of Wands. I feel like for most of you guys, you have been getting a new opportunity at work, maybe. And for another section of you guys, I think you have been getting in trouble with some authority figure at work. Okay, you guys are feeling like there is not enough uh, financial support for you right now. I feel like those of you who are watching this, you have some sort of financial trouble going off. I think some of the people have also facing some sort of I think some people might have also been laid off of work. I feel like for some of you guys, and for some others, you've been facing some issues with finances. I feel like in some career related situation. For others, if you're looking for some guidance on a home situation, I feel like there is a very dominating authority figure who is giving you a lot of trouble. Okay, and for the emperor card to just come off right under the queen of wands, there's some sort of discord going on. Okay, and you are very worried, and you just want to let go of all the burden, but you are not able to let go. Okay, because you are feeling like you will miss an opportunity. You are just trying to hold on. So let me see more cards from the Sacred Indian Tarot deck. Why is the situation happening? Spirit, why is it happening? I'll just shuffle it on camera, and I'll just shuffle it. Yes, so this is okay, death card. Yes, I feel like definitely for some of you guys, there is some sort of ending which has happened, or this may be something which you guys are afraid of right now. The Lovers in reverse. You guys are not in synchronicity. Okay, you guys are not synchronized right now. There is some sort of imbalance, and some sort of quarreling is going on. Somebody is quarreling a lot. I hear a lot of are you fighting with your person, guys? Are you fighting with your person? The Fool in reverse. Okay, so the bottom deck energy is, oh my god, see, the emperor is again in reverse over here. Yes, so definitely guys, I feel like you are dealing with some person. This person may be in your boss. Okay, this person may be in the workspace, I meant to say. So this person may be your boss, or this person may be your person's father. Okay, your father-in-law, or your own father, or some male figure who's just creating a lot of trouble in your situation right now. Okay, trouble in your life right now, who's causing a lot of ruckus. Okay, I feel like uh, there is this sort of energy, but you know what, I'll see more with the energy oracle cards. What should they do about this? Oh my god, so many cards decided to pop out. Take a break. Okay, I'm not doing reversals for this energy oracle cards, so I'll just put it out as it comes. Pillar of light, your vibration is rising. Okay, I feel like you guys are doing a lot of inner work, and I think this is not settling well with whoever the authority figure is in your life. Okay, you guys are coming into your power, you guys are coming into your authority, you guys are speaking your truth, and and I think something is not settling well with those who are in power, who are above you, or with whom you have been dominating by for so long. I just want to say dominated by. I don't know why I felt that in my throat chakra. Answer the call. What is your soul calling you to do? See, you guys are being called to do something. Okay, all of this fight, all of this ruckus, whatever is happening in this situation, I feel like it is happening because you guys are shifting from one situation to another. Okay, you guys are at a crossroads of your life. If you're feeling like there is some sort of loss, or some sort of thing regarding money, like you guys are worried about money, or worried about any jobs shifting, then I feel like you should not worry, because you guys are at the crossroads of your life, and something else is awaiting you. I feel like from this pile, something better is coming forward, but you guys are still holding on to it because you guys are afraid. And so I think this card is telling you not to be afraid and not to be so worked up, it's telling you to take a break. If you can see this card, take a break, a life's work, not a session, get off the treadmill. Okay, so yes, I feel like with the death card to come off like that, and with the take a break, yes, some new beginning is going to come. You guys are shifting energy. You see this card says your vibration is rising. You are the oracle. Okay, your vibration is not only rising, you guys are changing from one energy to another. You guys are going in a higher state. Okay, and when that kind of thing happens, you have to not hold on to things so very tightly. You have to go with the flow. You have to, and also if you guys are being called to answer a call, like follow a passion, maybe suddenly you guys feel like painting again, maybe suddenly you guys feel like writing again, maybe during this lockdown period you guys feel inspired to pursue your passion once again, or maybe you guys are shifting jobs. I think this is a nudge from spirit that you should answer that call. You should go with your heart. This is very significant. I'll see more. I'll pick another card. Okay, see, this is what decided to come up. Get grounded. Highly sensitives, empaths connect with nature. Yes, you guys need to ground your energy, and I feel like this also means that since you guys are raising your vibration. Okay, you guys are raising your vibration. You guys are channeling a lot of energy, and whether you know it or not, you are being asked to just rest, ground yourself, to take a break, and just to rest. From this card I feel like you guys need to just relax a bit, because you have been in this energy for a very long time. You have been feeling very stressed out. Right off the bat I felt like you guys are very stressed out, and this is what this card is showing me as well. You guys need to rest. This is your message from the angels. See what came at the bottom of the deck. Don't dim to fit in. Okay, don't dim in order to fit in. I think this is a very strong message. Okay, don't dim to fit in, because if there is some authority figure in your life who is bullying you, who may be in a discord with you, he may be asking you to go as per his ways. I think spirit is telling you not to fit in, to answer your own call, to go your own way, to ground your energy right now, to rest, and to let your soul take the course. Okay, to rise up. So we'll see some more cards from these messages which I created. Okay, I channeled from the angels, so we'll see what comes up for you guys. I'll shuffle them nicely. Okay, this one decided to come up, so I'll keep it. Okay, please tell me some messages for these people, for some. Okay, all right. Divine is watching over you. For this pile also I feel like since you guys have a very high purpose, you guys, and that is very much proven through these cards, the energy oracle cards, that you guys have a passion to pursue, and you guys are almost at the brink of discovering what your passion is, if you have not already discovered that. Okay, you guys are almost at the brink of success, and you guys may be facing some hardships right now, but I feel like since you guys have a higher purpose, divine is watching over you. Okay, don't go here and there. Okay, so we'll see. Let's see what this one says, since this one was flying off. Your life's purpose involves healing. So this card, from what I get from this message, is that some of you guys need to heal yourself. Okay, for your pile, this energy signifies that you guys need to heal this energy, and this has been repeatedly told to you again and again, okay, through these. Take a break, get grounded, and from this, and I've been telling you too that you need to first heal whatever you have been facing with this person in authority, or with this person in your relationship, okay. This person may be giving you some hard time at work, or he may be bullying you, some sort of father figure, nurture yourself. See, you need to nurture yourself, okay. And yes, you need to get grounded, you need to take a break, you need to get grounded, you need to nurture yourself. We all could use a little bit of nurturing, couldn't we? So let's see, this card says, yay, see, follow your heart, love will show the way. You guys, I was telling you, see, you guys need to follow your heart, you guys need to follow your heart. There is something is calling you. Love will show you the way, okay. This is a strong message for you, for this pile. Follow your heart, okay. Right now you need to follow your heart, okay. This is a great confirmation, spirit. Let's see what this one says. All power is within you. See, I think like you have been struggling with some power, some authority figure, and I think spirit is trying to tell you that all the power is within you to fight whoever is troubling you in your life. So you don't need to feel powerless, you don't need to feel like dominated or bullied. 1 minute. You don't need to feel dominated or bullied, because all power is within you, okay. This angels are trying to tell you that you are powerful, okay. Whoever has picked this pile, my pile number 3, guys, if you have been fighting, if you have been feeling tired, this is a message for you that you have everything that you need within you to succeed, to also succeed in your passions, in your career, okay. You don't need to feel bullied, you don't need to feel powerless, you are very powerful. This is a great confirmation, okay. So let's see another message. Oh my god, guys, rest, okay. Rest, see, take a break, rest, get grounded, okay, get grounded, rest. So this is a big message for you guys. You guys need to stop, we've been fighting for too long, you guys, we've been fighting for too long. You need to rest, you need to take care of yourself, you need to get off the treadmill. It's a life's work, not a season. So yes, guys, just rest, okay. Please like, share, subscribe if you like my reading, and give me some more suggestions for the next reading. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.